Caritas is love, God's love for all humanity. A love that knows no bounds or boundaries of race, status or religion. A love above all for the poor and excluded. We put that love into action by responding to emergencies, promoting development, and building peace. Caritas aims to develop and nurture the whole person, both materially and spiritually. Working at the heart of the Church as an agent of change, we are many things: community centre and international relief agency, home for the elderly and school for the former child soldier, HIV care provider and human rights campaigner. Caritas is all this and more. It's a heart which sees. Caritas is compassion, responding swiftly when disaster strikes, working with local communities to provide water, food, shelter, medical treatment and counselling. Caritas helps rebuild lives after emergencies and helps people to be better prepared for future disasters. Caritas is solidarity. Life means more than survival. Everyone has a right to live with dignity. Caritas helps people to help themselves by working in partnership with them. We look to a sustainable future by providing education and healthcare, supporting small businesses and farms, building peace and promoting healing. Caritas is dignity. We seek to end the cycle of poverty that causes the death of 30,000 of our brothers and sisters every day from hunger and preventable diseases. The global economy has to work for all of us, not just the rich. Migration, especially for women, must be a choice, not a punishment. Food is a basic human right, as is access to healthcare. Caritas is hope. In December 1951, 13 Catholic charities came together. The Confederation was born with papal blessing. Caritas Internationalis has now grown to over 160 members. We have seen great progress in the reduction of poverty, but much of it is now under threat. Climate change, rising food prices, war, and the global economic crisis hit the poor the hardest. We want a world in which everyone can live in dignity and peace, and where the existence of extreme poverty is unacceptable. Caritas intends to achieve zero poverty, working together as one human family.